Nobody hired him to be a doctor, so he decided to operate anyway. 17 patients became his practice subjects without ever knowing. In 1980, a small town hospital began receiving disturbing reports from confused patients. They claimed to have undergone procedures they never scheduled, with surgical scars they could not explain at first. Hospital administrators dismissed these claims as confusion from medication, but when multiple patients started describing the same doctor, a man with distinctive blue eyes who only appeared at night, they realized something was terribly wrong. The hospital director ordered an immediate review of security footage. What they found sent chills through the entire medical community. For over 4 months, an unidentified man in a white coat had been entering the hospital during shift changes, when security was most lax, accessing patient files and unmanned computers. The most disturbing discovery came when a night nurse noticed unfamiliar surgical tools in the recovery room. As she reported it immediately, police were finally able to identify the intruder as Thomas Ronalds, a former medical student who had been expelled in his final year for unethical behavior. When authorities searched his apartment, they found meticulous journals documenting the unauthorized procedures he had performed, along with tissue samples taken from his victims. Most chilling of all, Ronalds had written extensively about his improvements to standard surgical techniques, proudly noting how none of his patients had experienced complications. Further investigation revealed he had completed medical training and had nearly graduated before his expulsion. This allowed him to perform actual medical procedures with frightening competence. During his trial, psychologists determined he suffered from a severe delusion. Believing he was superior to licensed surgeons, he was helping patients with his unauthorized surgery. He was sentenced to 25 years in prison. What would you do if you woke up and discovered you were one of those 17 patients?